Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by defining a no-log policy for your ML pipeline and choosing minimal telemetry. First, identify exactly which events are required for model training versus operational analytics, and keep only training data flows. Then, implement in-memory processing and ephemeral buffers so data does not persist. Once done, encrypt transport and ensure agents never write logs to disk. Make sure to add privacy gating. Remove user identifiers before ingestion, and validate with small test runs to confirm no files are created. Next, instrument and restrict telemetry at source using allow lists and sampling. First, define schemas that exclude PII and limit feature-level detail. This reduces accidental logging. Then, replace persistent metrics with ephemeral aggregated counters emitted to short-lived stores. Process results asynchronously and discard raw traces. Once done, enforce strict IAM for model training jobs and rotate credentials frequently. Make sure to add automated checks that scan for log-write syscalls during CI. Failing builds should prevent deployment. Also run periodic audits to confirm retention policies are effective. Finalize by documenting the no-log architecture and automating retention enforcement. First, deploy runtime guards that intercept file write and logging library calls and return errors or redirect to null. Then, validate with production-like simulations that mimic scale and latency, confirming no logs, no cache spills, and expected model outputs. Once done, update incident response to operate without historical logs. Rely on metrics and tracing summaries. Troubleshooting tip: if logs appear, immediately isolate the job, capture memory-only dump, and audit recent code changes for accidental log statements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.